Hello students, today I will explain you 5th chapter of physics, heat. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that causes the sensation of hotness and coldness. Units of heat, calories or joule are units of heat. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. Characteristics of heat. Heat always flows from an object at higher temperature to an object at lower temperature. The amount of heat transferred by a hot object is always equal to the amount of heat gained by the cold object. Temperature. The definition of temperature is, it is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. The units of temperature are Kelvin, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. The lower fixed point on Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius. Upper fixed point is 100 degree Celsius. On Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. On Kelvin scale, the lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin. Upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin. Now the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, C upon 5 equals to F minus 32 upon 9, where C is the temperature in degree Celsius and F is the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Conversion of Celsius into Kelvin, K equals to C plus 273. Whatever temperature is given in degree Celsius, we have to simply add 273 to convert it to Kelvin scale. Thermometer. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure temperature. There are two types of thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. This is a clinical thermometer. This type of thermometer is used for measuring our body temperature at home or hospitals. It consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube and it has got bulb at one end. This bulb contains mercury. It also consists of a constriction or a kink which does not allow the mercury to fall back into the bulb when the thermometer is not in use. A clinical thermometer indicates temperature from a minimum of 35 degrees Celsius or 94 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 42 degrees Celsius or 108 degree Fahrenheit. This is a laboratory thermometer. It is used in laboratories to measure the temperature. It consists of a glass capillary tube with a small bulb at its lower end. This bulb and a small portion of the capillary tube are either filled with alcohol or mercury. The temperature range of laboratory thermometer is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now, effects of heat. The first effect of heat is change in temperature. When an object is heated, its temperature rises, and when an object is cooled, its temperature decreases. Change in size. When an object is heated, the volume increases. On the other hand, if it is cooled down, its volume decreases. For example, a jammed metal lid can be removed from a bottle by pouring hot water on the lid. This hot water will make the lid expand and as a result it becomes loose and it can be removed easily. Change in state. Heating can change a substance from solid into liquid or from liquid into vapor and even from solid directly into vapor. Now we come to modes of heat transfer. There are three modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. Conduction is a process of heat transfer from a hotter to a cooler end of the body or between two bodies at different temperatures which are in contact with each other. Conduction takes place in solids. Now, convection. It is the process of heat transfer in liquids and gases from the hotter region to the cooler region, accompanied by the movement of matter. For example, while boiling water, the water near the bottom of the beaker gets heated and rises up. As the hot water rises up, the cold water from the sides moves down towards the hot source. This water also gets heated up and rises up. In this way, the whole water gets heated up. Third is radiation. You must have experienced that you feel warm when you sit in front of a room heater. Just like light, the heat from the room heater directly reaches you. Unlike conduction and convection, radiation does not require the bodies to be in contact or movement of the particles. In other words, the transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. Good and bad conductors of heat. Materials which allow heat to pass through them are called as good conductors like silver, copper, etc. Bad conductors, those materials which do not allow the heat to pass through them, are called bad conductors. Now, sea breeze and land breeze. During the day, the land becomes warm and the air on top of land also gets warmer. As it becomes warmer, it rises upwards. The cooler air from the sea comes towards the land to take its place. This cool air from the sea is called as sea breeze. Land breeze. After the sunset, the land loses the heat faster than the sea water. As a result, the air over the sea is warmer at night. The air above the sea being warmer again rises up. Then the cooler air from the land starts moving towards the sea. This air moving from the land is called as the land breeze. Both sea breeze and land breeze are examples of convection currents.